What's going on, family? So you're here, you landed on this page, you landed on this video because you want to learn how to trade Forex for free, right? And that's everybody's thing. Everybody wants to know, okay, how do I learn how to trade Forex? I've heard about it. My friends told me about it. I'm still a little confused. I think it's like the stock market. I don't really know, right? And we're here to help you out and show you a way that you can try it out for free, right? Trading Forex is free, but you have to learn the skill set. So we've made it super simple. We've made it super easy, and we're gonna walk you through it step by step, right? So we have a site. It's called copypostpaid.net. All right. So copypostpaid.net is gonna be a simple site. No credit card is required. It's super easy, and you can go ahead and give it a shot for free. Again, it is for free. All right. So if you're not too sure what exactly Forex is, you can go right here and say, okay, let me find out what Forex is first. Watch this video, get all the information you need, get the explanation that makes sense to you, and then you can move forward, right? So you're like, what's the catch? There's no catch. Demo before you dive in. Trade like it's real. You're going to be able to trade in the live markets without having to use your real money. So what you're going to be able to do is you can go here to our site. You can check it out. You can read it. Let us help you, right? Let us help you. We're going to actually give you trade setups. We're going to show you how to mark up your charts. We're going to show you how to put trades into your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and you're going to be inside of the markets trading risk free, right? With us walking you step by step, with us holding your hand the whole way, and able to, you can see like how the markets really, really work, right? It's like buying a vehicle. You're not just going to go to a car dealership and buy a car without test driving it, right? So you should be able to test drive the foreign exchange markets before you decide if you really want to dive in or not. So let us help you. It's risk-free. You can get started today. There's no payment required, no credit card, nothing like that required. You can just jump right into it, okay? It's simple. It's 1, 2, 3. Simple steps. Get access to our free membership portal, set up your trial account, enjoy 3 days with us. So before you get started, make sure you download the Telegram app. It's free in your Android or your iPhone. It's called Telegram. You're going to need that to get started. The next thing you're going to need to do is go right here and start your trial. You're going to start your trial. It's going to ask you a few questions like your name, your phone number, your email address, and it's going to ask you who got you started, who referred you. My name is Rhonda, so I want to make sure you put my name in there and say, hey, Rhonda, I want to get started with my 3-day trial, and I'm going to reach out to you personally. I'm going to call you, text you, email you, whatever works best for you. I'm going to get on the phone with you, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to make sure you understand without just throwing you in somewhere, right? And after you do that, you're going to get put into our portal, which is for all new members to try out the platform, right? So, and just like anything else, it's going to take time to learn. It's a skill set. You can't just learn this overnight. It's not something you're going to learn tomorrow, but it is a skill set that takes time, and you can learn it if you're willing to invest the time. Just like anything else, you have to invest the time to learn. So if you're willing to give it a shot for 3 days, try it out, see if you like it, cool, we can do that together. I'll be there every step of the way. You'll have a group of people helping you the whole time, right? After the 3 days, if you say, hey, I like it, I'm interested in going forward, we can talk about the next steps. We can talk about how to get you going and get you profitable inside the foreign exchange market. So again, the website is copypostpaid.net. All right, go through the whole thing, get everything that you need to know, get familiar, then go down here, hit start trial today. Right? You're going to start the trial today. It's going to send us a message, and it's going to ask you 3 questions: your name, your email, your phone number, and then of course it's going to ask you who invited you. Again, my name is Rhonda, so make sure you put that in the box so that I can contact you personally and show you exactly what we're doing inside of these markets, okay? So I'm going to jump into my phone, and I'm going to show you our chat, our member portal, so you can see exactly what's happening inside the markets, and you can just make a decision on if you want to get started with us or not. So let's go into my phone. All right, guys, so we're back in my phone, and I want to show you exactly what our Telegram group looks like. This is going to be our member portal. It is private, so you have to fill out that form first before you're able to even see this, right? So we're going to jump right into it. So you're going to see right here, this is going to be in the pinned post at the top. So you're going to go through this. It's going to give you a full disclosure. It's going to tell you to get started right here, right? You're going to go here. You're going to get started. It's going to ask you 2 questions, super, super easy questions. Do you have an iPhone? Do you have an Android, right? One of those 2 questions, you have one of those 2 phones, you're going to watch the video. The video is going to walk you through it step by step on how to set up the app on your phone. The video is no longer than 3 minutes, so it's going to take you 3 minutes to get this installed on your phone. They are 2 free apps, right? So once you get the app, you're going to download it, and then you're going to be ready to start your 3-day trial, right? So when you come back to it, you're going to see inside of our group, we have people making profits. right? You're going to see people making money. You're going to see people sharing their testimonials. You're going to see things like this, Forex talk, when we're giving you signals and trades to take. We're going over stuff that's important about trading. And that way you can start testing it out and seeing if it's something that you want to do. Somebody may say, okay, well, Forex is not for me. Someone may say, wow, I thought this was harder and it's actually pretty easy, right? So you can make that decision after your 3 days. But the only thing I ask of you is give me the 3 days uninterrupted. Give me 3 days of focus. Give me 3 days of dedication. Give me 3 days of coachability. Listen to the things I tell you to do. Follow the simple instructions we put inside the group, and then give us a testimonial. Say, hey, I liked it. Hey, I didn't like it. Hey, I enjoyed it. Hey, I learned something. Hey, I'm ready to move forward. Whatever the case may be, I want you to give us a try. So what I need you to do is go to copypostpaid.net, go through the website, fill out the form, and then I'll get an email. Once I get that email, I'm going to personally reach out to you and get you started on your 3-day trial. Follow me on Instagram. It's really Rhonda. And if you have any questions, I'll answer them right there on Instagram. I'll give you a phone call. I'll send you a text message. We can FaceTime. Whatever you need, I got you. I'll see you at the top because the bottom's way too crowded. Have a great day, guys.